Core system libraries failing because of the XTA just-in-time compiler 64DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Access the official XTA just-in-time compiler 64 diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the XTA just-in-time compiler 64, a component of the Windows just-in-time JIT translation layer used in x86 on ARM emulation environments. It performs real-time translation of 64-bit instruction streams, so legacy x64 applications can execute on ARM-based hardware. If missing or corrupted on systems such as Surface Pro X, emulated applications may crash unpredictably when instruction translation fails mid-execution. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like XTA just-in-time compiler 64DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the XTA just-in-time compiler 64 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for XTA just-in-time compiler 64DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to XTA just-in-time compiler 64 management. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for XTA just-in-time compiler 64, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.